इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है।
नेट चल रहा है मेरा।
किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन की कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good afternoon, one and all. Entire Franchise India teams welcome each one of you to our business opportunity with Chai webinar series. This is a digital communication about the brand of the day so that you can take understanding about the brand model, about the franchise model they are offering in market. Franchise India is a platform which is helping day in, day out all the investors in taking the conscious and informed decision about choosing the right franchise. We welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. During the course of the webinar, they'll be sharing their suggestions, their feedback with each one of us. The brand which we are presenting for each one of you today comes from Jaipur. Yes, the Yellow House brand from Jaipur we are bringing for you. And today we invite and welcome Mr. Harshit, who will be talking about this brand and the kind of the franchise model he's offering. Thank you so much, Harshit ji, आज हमें join करने के लिए. I'll share my PPT for you so that we can start the presentation from your side. Over to you, sir.
Thanks, Franchise India team, for giving us this opportunity. So here is our starting. We are starting with a promotional video, everyone. So please start this video.
Sure.
So
Actually, sir, should we start with the PPT?
Yeah. Start with the presentation. So hi everyone. Yellow House Robot Restaurant. So Yellow House signifies the hunger place. So basically the yellow color signifies hunger. So we have put this name together. And Robot Restaurant means, from the name you guys can understand, it's a robot restaurant where food is served by robots. So it's a concept which we have made. All the robots and everything is from India. And we have based this concept just because for a restaurant in this market, there has to be something different. So the robots make us different from everyone in the market. So currently the restaurant is located in Jaipur, and it's located in near to the Raj Mandir in Jaipur. It's the main location in Jaipur. Currently we are operating in around 4,000 square feet with an average bill of around 1,200 and doing a sales of around 13 to 15 lakhs. So guys, now if I talk about why Yellow House, why anyone should invest with us, it's just not the numbers. The main reason to invest with us, like we are a whole together a place where a kids from starting ranging from 13 years old to 60 years old can enjoy. So it's a family dining setup. So everyone from age 13 to 65 can come and enjoy. So this is the main concept behind our restaurant. It's a pure vegetarian concept. So menu items which we are included, we have around 265 items in our menu, starting from soups and mocktails and shakes. There are platters, sizzlers. It's a like four cuisine menu. We have Mexican, we have Chinese, we have Italian, we have North Indian. Plus in summers, the coming month, we are introducing a new menu of Lebanese food too. uh, by the seeing the PPT, you can understand we have a wide range of pizzas. Pizza is something which youngsters are connected to, like the age category of around 17 to 24 is very much in the pizza section. So we don't serve the normal pizza, we serve this wood burn pizzas. So we have a whole setup of wood burn. So from the wood, we burn out the wood and we make pizzas from there. So it's a pet friendly restaurant. Table booking is recommended. Live sports screening is there. We have a this whole setup of live sports screening, home delivery, and it's a pure vegetarian restaurant. Yeah, next slide, please. This is these are some few pictures. Next. Yeah, so currently we are on Zomato. We have our pages on Instagram and Facebook. We are on TripAdvisor too. We have our Easy Diner, and there is an aggregator platform to dine out. We are on that too. So 4.2 is our rating on Facebook. Zomato, we have 4.2. On TripAdvisor, we have 4.5, and Easy Diner, we have 4.2. So currently, our restaurant has been nominated by Times Food Life and Night Awards. From which is done by the Times of India, a group of Times of India's newspaper जो करवाता है ये सब कुछ. So we are nominated by them also in the category of best vegetarian in Jaipur and best multi-cuisine restaurant in Jaipur. Okay, so next slide, please. So USP of Yellow House. By the name, you all can see robots is one of the USP, but it's not the only USP. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ रोबोट से एक रेस्टोरेंट को रन कर सकते हो. You need to have everything perfect for to run a successful restaurant. We have around 265 items, और उन items में ऐसा नहीं है कि there is no SOPs. For a single department, we have a particular SOP कि एक item को बनाने के लिए we need all these things. So there is whole process to build a item. It's not only कि like आपने एक chef को बुलाया and he'll start making things. It's a proper process from where we can see, like if someone takes a franchisee, so we'll give them SOPs. So जो उनका staff cost है, जो उनका वो पूरा food cost है, that comes to under a control only. So USP एक ये है हमारा कि एक हम पूरे process पे चलते हैं. It's not कि आप कोई भी chef को लाओ और वो कर लो. There is a unique and specialized menu. जो menu engineering, ये word बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं. I'll guide you about this word. मेन्यू इंजीनियरिंग इज समथिंग कि आप एक मेन्यू को किस तरीके से पूरा इंजीनियर करके अपने एक रेस्टोरेंट में प्लेस करते हो. जैसे आपके जो की अट्रैक्शन आइटम्स हैं वो अपसेल होने चाहिए, वो ऊपर आने चाहिए. जो एक वैल्यू कॉम्बो एडेड होते हैं वो सारी चीजें आपकी सेलिंग में आनी चाहिए. तो इट्स लाइक समथिंग कि आप एक मेन्यू इंजीनियरिंग करके मेन्यू प्लेस करते हो टेबल पे, कंज्यूमर को वो बहुत ईजी हो जाता है. इट्स वन ऑफ आवर यूएसपीज टू. So altogether, robot are menu items. So these all are our USPs. Next slide, please. Yeah, next slide. Oh, so winning strategy of our restaurant is this. Like currently we are operating in 4,000 square feet. Now, after running a restaurant for 2 years, what we came to and this franchise model wala scene, ki 15,000 square feet is more than sufficient to open a new restaurant. It's a fast dining casual center setup. Like if you go with a 4,000 square feet restaurant, so it's a very big setup. The rentals are high, but if you go and the revenues are not that much different in a 1,500 square feet and in a 4,000 square feet. So 15,000 square feet and is an amazing option. Uh, just because of the rentals are low, the margins are equal to the same, and it's a fantastic. Like अगर आप एक 1500 स्क्वायर फीट को देखते हैं तो इन अ वीक देयर आर 7 days. आप सातों दिन उस रेस्टोरेंट को अपनी कैपेसिटी पे रन कर सकते हैं, लाइक ऑन अ 80 to 100% occupancy. But if you open a 4,000 square feet with a seater of around 200 seating capacity, so it's very hard on a weekday to fill your restaurant every day. But for a 60-seater restaurant, it is very easy. Yeah, next slide, please. Oh, so these are some financial dynamics. Total carpet area we required is 1,500 square feet to 2,000 square feet. Approx 60-seater dining we give you in 1,500 square feet. Assumed rent is 1,50,000. Infrastructure cost comes around 12,75,000. So the per square foot rate which comes is around 800. There are two robots which we'll give you is 7 lakhs. Kitchen equipment is 9,50,000. Kitchen equipment includes this crockery and all the kitchen setup. Office equipment is there around 2 lakhs. In office equipment, we'll provide you with softwares, computers, printers and servers, CCTV and DVRs, music system, firefighting system, uniforms, and this miscellaneous items like menus and all. Pre-opening comes around 225. In 225, we give you this launching, the launching marketing cost plus your Zomato ads and Facebook ads and plus all these things is under this pre-opening only. Franchisee fees is excluding GST is 5 lakh. So your total comes around 38 lakh 50,000. So this is something which you guys need to invest if you want to have a franchisee. Now we come to the ROI estimates. So our average sales we take around 10 lakh 63,000. So the total net margin is around 15 to 20%. 20% you can, if a franchisee himself is sitting at a restaurant, so he can reduce his cost in staff section. Like it's not necessary to pay out 21% to a staff department to the salaries. We can cut down the staff part also. So the ROI comes around 50%. Your payback time for the investment, which is 38 lakh 50,000, comes around 22 months. But if we take sales around 15 lakhs, like current sales for the previous month, which we have come across is around 14 lakhs. So your payback time comes very low. It's near to the around 18 to 19 months, somewhere around 18 to 19 months. So this is how we go. The month-on-month growth on our sales is around 5% on a weekday. It's still the fourth year. Like after 4 year, your restaurant sales starting coming to a saturation point on a stagnant level. But till 4 year, you will get a growth of around 5% month-on-month and 25% of your month increase on weekends, like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you are getting a 30 bills on a weekday, so around 37 to 38 bills you will get on a weekend days. So this is how we work. And one thing more in this, जरूरी नहीं है जो हमने setup cost लिख के दिया है कि इतना ही आपका use होगा. If you are willing कि no infrastructure आप लोगों को करना, it's all open from our side. You guys can do. We'll give you all designs. We'll give you all 3Ds and everything. कि this is how we need. Welcome to the Yellow House. This is how we need everything. So it's all up to the franchisee कि they can build easily. ये हमारी तरफ से जरूरी नहीं है कि हम ही करके दें. It's all up to the investor. अगर वो खुद करना चाहते हैं वो खुद करें, but we'll give them designs. Yeah, next slide please. Yep. So expansion where we are searching for the investors, like जहाँ हमें लगता है कि there is a good potential. सबसे पहले is Gujarat, because Gujarat is a pure vegetarian section market. Like जहाँ वहाँ the more people are for the vegetarian part, Surat is a very good option. Vadodara, Rajkot, Ahmedabad is also a very good option. From any of these four cities, is anyone there can approach us, and we'll be getting a very good deal from these. FOCO model is also there for Surat and Vadodara. कि if someone is there कि वो सिर्फ अपना पैसा लगाना चाहते हैं, they don't want to get involved in every day-to-day operations, so company can operate all that. And in Rajasthan, we are looking for Jaipur. Jaipur is also open for FOCO model. Jodhpur is open for FOFO, franchisee owned and franchisee operated only. Kota, Bikaner, Ajmer, these all are cities where we are willing to give our franchisees. Central part is also there. Like from Madhya Pradesh, we have a good option in Indore. Indore is a very booming city. These days, the UP market is also very booming, like Lucknow, Kanpur, your Ayodhya, because Ayodhya, it's going to be a new market in next few couple of years. So we are open for these all areas. Yeah, next slide. Hello, next slide, please. Yeah, so as I told you guys, we are very keen to adopt FOFO model, but for few options, like few cities for Surat and Vadodara, we are open for FOCO. It's not like we will not give FOFO over there, but we are open for FOCO too over on those places. So yeah, next slide, please. तो दिस इज अ रिगार्डिंग हम कैसे लोगों को ढूंढ रहे हैं जो हमारे साथ एक पार्टनरशिप में आए, यूनिट हमारे से लें. So our first priorities are the new investors, new setups या second generation entrepreneurs जिनका family business पहले से चल रहा हो या वो service से business में shift होना चाह रहे हैं. Because after COVID, what is happening कि लोग बाग, all the people in the market are shifting from their normal services to the businesses. तो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड कि आज अगर एक ऐसा कोई सेकंड जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर अपनी फैमिली से निकलता है या एक नॉर्मल सर्विस आदमी निकलता है, तो विद दैट एनर्जी वी कैन बिल्ड अ वेरी गुड बिजनेस. प्रॉपर्टी ओनर्स आर ऑलवेज ओपन, जिनकी प्रॉपर्टीज हैं और वो रेंटल्स उन पे नहीं लेना मतलब देना चाहते हैं एंड दे वांट टू स्टार्ट देयर ओन बिजनेस, कैन कम विद अस. And there are the new setups को छोड़ के जो restaurants, there are many restaurants in the country right now which are facing huge losses because there is a cutthroat competition in the market and there is not something new happening every day. Restaurant industry is a ऐसी industry है कि जहाँ हमें survive करने के लिए we have to innovate in every 3 to 4 months in our menu. So there are many restaurants जिनके setups आ रहे हैं लीज पे भी नहीं आ रहे हैं, वो अपना बिजनेस शिफ्ट करना चाह रहे हैं, फ्रेंचाइजी लेना चाह रहे हैं, तो दे आर ऑल्सो ओपन. और अगर हम उस फील्ड में देखें तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा ऑप्शन है बिकॉज आपका जो एक बहुत बड़ा पार्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉस्ट किचन सेटअप में लग रहा है वो आपका पहले से होके रखा है, तो आपको वो कॉस्ट वापस नहीं करना है. यू जस्ट टेक आवर नेम, आवर एसओपीज, आवर मॉडल, हम कैसे ऑपरेट करते हैं. So you'll come into a profitability and of course you'll be having a first mover advantage in your market. जैसे Surat, nobody has this type of restaurant where robots are serving and it's all technology based restaurant. So of course there is एक first mover advantage रहेगा ही रहेगा. Reason being कि अगर आज ऐसी कोई भी नई चीज आती है तो one time तो वो लोग देखने आएंगे and retention is on the basis of your food. It's not on the robot. Concept is always there. But अगर आपको एक कस्टमर को बुलाना है वापस अपने रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर, तो you need to get that retention from your food. एक बार आप बुला सकते हो उसको रोबोट से, from your marketing and all. Then next time you need to have that retention from your food only. तो ऐसे सेटअप्स जो लॉस मेकिंग चल रहे हों अभी इंडस्ट्री के अंदर, अगर वो भी विलिंग कर रहे हैं तो वी आर ओपन फॉर दैट टू. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. So it's a mixed out. This is our कि हम कैसे roll out करेंगे हमारे franchisees को. So if someone wants to take a master franchisee, just suppose करें गुजरात की, तो he takes a master franchisee in our Surat. So we are willing to give him master franchisee too. तो मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी के बाद फिर हम ये राइट दे देंगे कि इन गुजरात ही विल ओपन हिज ऑल यूनिट्स फ्रॉम हिज साइड ओनली, ऑल यूनिट्स विल बी ओपन। अगर आप मल्टी यूनिट पे जाना चाहते हैं, जैसे हम बात करें मध्य प्रदेश की, या फिर हम बात करें इंदौर की, कि आपको मास्टर नहीं चाहिए बट आपको 2-3 आउटलेट अपने ही चाहिए सिटीज के अंदर, तो वी आर ओपन फॉर दैट टू। बट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल एवरीवन हु इज एसोसिएटेड विद अस राइट नाउ कि जो भी हम एक सिटी के अंदर आउटलेट देंगे, वी मेक श्योर कि डिस्टेंस शुड बी देयर ऑफ अराउंड 6 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम वन आउटलेट टू अनदर आउटलेट। अगर सपोज करें, हम बात करें जैसे जयपुर की, जयपुर मार्केट इज फॉर अराउंड 40 lakhs पीपल आर लिविंग इन, 40 लाख की आबादी है शहर की। सो व्हाट आई फील कि 3 आउटलेट से ज्यादा जयपुर में नहीं होने चाहिए। सो अगर ऐसा कोई पार्ट, ऐसा कोई सिटी आता है, जैसे इंदौर आता है, तो इंदौर इज ऑल्सो फॉर 3 यूनिट्स ओनली, तो वो मल्टी यूनिट में ही जाएगा। वी विल नॉट गिव ओवर देयर मास्टर हम देंगे, बट वो 3 से ज्यादा इंदौर में नहीं खोल सकता। सो देयर विल बी सम टाइप ऑफ दिस लेवल, हम जहाँ कैप लगा के रखेंगे कि आप इससे ज्यादा आउटलेट नहीं खोल सकते, बिकॉज हमें सिर्फ आउटलेट ही नहीं खोलना है। हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे जितने भी फ्रेंचाइजीज रहे, दे मेक मनी फ्रॉम देयर आउटलेट। सपोज करें अगर मैंने एक आउटलेट यहाँ खोल दिया और अगला आउटलेट 1 किलोमीटर बाद खोल दिया किसी फ्रेंचाइजी ने, so it doesn't make sense for both of them and for us also. So we want ki every franchise should earn a good amount of money by investing their time and money with us. Next slide. So हमारे साथ पार्टनर क्यों करें आप? देखिए, अब आप लोगों को मैंने एक चीज पहले ही बता दी, द यूएसपी व्हिच वी आर हैविंग इज ऑफ अ वेरी गुड। लाइक अगर एक हाई स्ट्रीट में आपका रेस्टोरेंट खुलता है और 10 रेस्टोरेंट वहां पे हैं, एंड इफ यू आर सर्विंग फ्रॉम रोबोट्स, plus if you have every SOPs, you have a fantastic menu, so there are high chances कि लोग आपके रेस्टोरेंट में विजिट करेंगे ही करेंगे। जो हमारी मार्केटिंग है, मार्केटिंग इज अराउंड very amazing. We have a 6,000 followership on Instagram.
Start working.
We have 6,000 Instagram followers, plus we have 12,000 likes on a Facebook page. So marketing will also be supported by us. We provide live ads. We'll show you that video too. Live ads रहते हैं हमारे पूरे, जिससे हम एक ऑडियंस के साथ डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट होते हैं। Operations is the main part. ऑपरेशंस को सही करने के लिए वी हैव मेड दिस एसओपीज, कि अगर आप रेस्टोरेंट चाहे जयपुर में खोलें, चाहे आप इंडिया के किसी भी सेक्शन में खोलें, देयर इज अ प्रॉपर एसओपी। पर इन एसओपी से क्या होता है, द लेबर कॉस्ट इज ऑल्सो वेरी लो ऑफ अ आउटलेट। ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको यू हैव टू हायर अ 34,000 शेफ या 50,000 शेफ फॉर द सेम टेस्ट विच वी आर गेटिंग इन अनदर आउटलेट ऑफ आवर रेस्टोरेंट। तो ये एसओपी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। कन्वर्जन फ्रेंचाइजी, जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बताया, कन्वर्जन फ्रेंचाइजी अगर कोई और ब्रांड चला रहा है, उसके पास इंफ्रा है ही, उसके पास सब कुछ है, बस ही जस्ट नीड टू टेक आवर मॉडल, आवर सिस्टम, आवर नेम एंड सी द रिजल्ट्स इन द कमिंग years. Yeah. Next, franchisee proposal. ROI, we have a very amazing ROI with a sale of around 10 lakhs and a CT 10 lakh average बता रहा हूँ, इससे कम तो we haven't ever seen in our outlet, but still we take around 10 lakhs in a month. So ROI is around 21 to 24 months. We have a concept, AI enabled restaurant है, serviced by robots. It's a pure vegetarian restaurant, very efficient and fast casual concept. COVID complement operations, because what has happened after COVID, लोग बाग थोड़ा झिझकते हैं कि आदमी से ना मिले, बट स्टिल इट्स नॉट कि ये रेस्टोरेंट का भी इफेक्ट होगा इससे कोविड वगैरह से, बिकॉज यू कान, आप एक रेस्टोरेंट को कभी बंद नहीं कर सकते, या वो कभी कम इसलिए नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि एक्सपीरियंस इन अ रेस्टोरेंट, व्हाट यू गिव टू योर कस्टमर्स इज एक्सपीरियंस। तो आज कंज्यूमर आएगा तो यू नीड टू गेट दैट एक्सपीरियंस, कंज्यूमर को एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए ही चाहिए। बट ऑपरेशंस कोविड कॉम्प्लीमेंट वेरी गुड है, आप पूरी सेफ्टी रहती है कंज्यूमर की, देयर इज अ रोबोट, सो इट्स एवरीथिंग इंटैक्ट। वी हैव मेन्यू, Indian, Chinese, Italian, Mexican, Indo-Chinese, diverse menu for any time. Like for a restaurant, 3 to 6, 3 to 7 is the lowest time. But for us, it's not the lowest time. It's an average time. ऐसा नहीं कि हमारा 3 से 7 पे रेस्टोरेंट खाली रहता है, बिकॉज अगर आपका रेस्टोरेंट एक घंटे के लिए भी खाली है तो इट मेक्स अ ह्यूज लॉस फॉर यू। सो आपका ऐसा मेन्यू डिजाइन है कि एक यंगस्टर भी आपके रेस्टोरेंट में आके कॉफी पे he can chill, or he when he comes with a date with his anyone, so वो एक ऐसा फील देता है कि 3 से 7 आप इजीली हमारे रेस्टोरेंट में आ सकते हैं, यू कैन एंजॉय विथ योर लव्ड वंस। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका रेस्टोरेंट खाली रहेगा। Formats and we focus on dine-in customer experience. So what we do is we focus mostly in dine-in section of our and customer experience. Online ordering is there also from our restaurants, but that doesn't make that much in our sales. It's around 10 to 15% of our sales every month, but it's not that much. Demand side, demand, obviously there is a lot of demand in the market. Everyone in the households वो जाना चाहते हैं शाम को बाहर, in the evening time, नाइट को डिनर जाते हैं फैमिली के साथ। देयर आर बर्थडे पार्टीज, एनिवर्सरीज, आजकल सब कुछ लोग बाहर बना रहे हैं। तो इट्स वेरी अमेजिंग कि एक ऐसी जगह खुलती है इन अ सिटी लाइक इंदौर, इन अ सिटी लाइक सूरत, जहाँ लोग आते हैं, उनको एक अट्रैक्शन लगता है। तो इट्स वेरी, डिमांड इज वेरी अमेजिंग इन दी मार्केट। Supply side, from franchisor to franchisee, is always there. Suppliers partnership रहेंगे, we will provide you the list of suppliers in for every city की इससे सस्ता आपको कोई नहीं दे सकता। If you want to tie up with them, you tie up with them, तो आपका cost इतना ही आएगा। We have a proper SOP for our inventory management and recipe management. Like this is the best thing which I like about our restaurant SOPs is, अगर आपका 1 रुपया भी इधर उधर खर्च हो रहा है तो आपको इजीली पता चल जाएगा आपके पीओएस से कि मेरा कॉस्टिंग यहाँ ज्यादा लग रहा है और ये क्यों लग रहा है, इसको कम कैसे करा जाए। तो ये पूरा एक सॉफ्टवेयर हमारा डेवलप करा हुआ है जिसके अंदर हमारा इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट और रेसिपी मैनेजमेंट चलता है पूरा। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। what support we'll give you, location, हम आपको लोकेशन सजेस्ट करेंगे ही करेंगे। और लोकेशन we prefer 2 locations on a ground floor, एक हमारा सबसे पहला प्रेफरेंस रहता है, and then we have first floor। और अगर किसी के पास ऐसा फुटफॉल है उस एरिया में और सपोज करें उसके पास बेसमेंट भी है, इट डजंट मेक, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि हम वहां नहीं कर सकते, वी कैन ओपन देयर टू। कंप्लीट प्री ओपनिंग ट्रेनिंग रहेगी हमारे तरफ से। जितना भी स्टाफ आपको फर्स्ट टाइम, अगर आप हमें कहते हैं कि हमें स्टाफ सेलेक्ट करने में इश्यू आ रहा है, तो व्हाट वी विल डू फ्रॉम अ जयपुर टीम, योर होल स्टाफ विल बी मैनेज्ड बाय अस ओनली। हम आपको ओपनिंग के टाइम पूरा स्टाफ जयपुर से या निकाल के आपके रेस्टोरेंट पे, आपके फ्रेंचाइज आउटलेट पे पहुंचाएंगे हमारे। सो व्हाट विल हैपन कि आपको इतना उनके साथ वो नहीं करना पड़ेगा, वो पहले से ही ट्रेन रहेंगे उस चीज के लिए जिस जो हम चाह रहे हैं उन लोगों से, मतलब प्री ट्रेनिंग पूरी रहेगी। अब इस ट्रेनिंग के अंदर इंक्लूड क्या क्या होता है, जैसे सपोज करें हमारे सिस्टम्स को चलाना, एसओपीज हैं जो हमारे, सबसे ज्यादा इनको हार्ड मेंटेन करना। बनाना इज वेरी इजी बट टू मेंटेन ऑल दीज एसओपीज इज वेरी हार्ड। तो हम ये एसओपीज पे बंदों को ट्रेन करेंगे, देन वी विल सेंड टू योर आउटलेट। फ्रेंचाइजी को भी हम ट्रेन करेंगे कि सर दिस इज हाउ इन्वेंट्री इज मैनेज, दिस इज हाउ सीआरएम प्लेटफॉर्म इज मैनेज, this is how a recipe is managed, this is how you manage your petty cash every day. So this is how we'll operate, we'll train them also. Operation manual हम आपको देंगे, ongoing training and field support। field support what I feel कि local, hyper local market को आप एक ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम के, यूट्यूब के थ्रू जा सकते हैं, बट एक ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग रहता है, वो पूरा फील्ड सपोर्ट हम आपको देंगे। परचेजिंग एंड सप्लायर असिस्टेंस हम आपको वेंडर्स बता देंगे आप ही के स्टेट के अंदर। ऐसा नहीं कि हम आपको बोलेंगे यू परचेज फ्रॉम अस और यू परचेज फ्रॉम आवर जयपुर वेंडर, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी, वील डू दैट, बट वील ऑलवेज गाइड यू कि आप जयपुर से ही जयपुर से ना लेके आप अपने स्टेट से भी ले सकते हैं। वी विल प्रोवाइड यू ऑल दी वेंडर लिस्ट फॉर एवरीथिंग। मार्केटिंग गाइडेंस, जो भी आपका मार्केटिंग चलेगा इंस्टाग्राम के पेजेस पे, फेसबुक के पेजेस पे, दैट विल ऑलवेज फ्रॉम आवर साइड ओनली, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम आवर लोगोज एंड ये तो सब स्टार्टिंग में रहेगा, बट एवरीडे मार्केटिंग रहेगा आपका, एवरीडे जो आपको पूरा एक वो बनता है, कैंपेन डिजाइन होगा, वो सब it will be from the central team for every franchise outlet. The next slide. मार्केटिंग एग्जीक्यूशन प्लान, जैसा हमने बताया आपको, ये B2B चलेगा, B2C कम्युनिकेशन रहेगा, पूरा प्री ओपनिंग क्रिएटिव जनरेट इंटरेस्ट। क्या होता है जब आप रेस्टोरेंट ओपन करते हैं तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट हाइप, आप कितनी हाइप क्रिएट कर पाते हैं अपने लोकल एरिया के अंदर। सो इसके लिए जो बोर्ड एंड होर्डिंग्स रहेंगे आपके, ओपनिंग स्कूल सून होर्डिंग्स रहेगा, लॉन्च प्रमोशनल ऑफर्स रहेगा, ओपनिंग डे पे आपका पूरा मीडिया लॉन्च होता है 3 days का, जिसके अंदर आपकी मीडिया, आपके इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, आपके नोन सबको इनवाइट करा जाता है। सो इट्स अ वेरी अमेजिंग प्लान। 12 वीक तक आपका वो पूरा प्रमोशनल का ही स्टफ चलता है, और ऐसा नहीं कि आप प्रमोशन ही प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ लुटा रहे हैं कि आपके पास कुछ आएगा नहीं। वो इस तरीके से चलेगा पूरे 12 वीक के अंदर कि यू विल गेट अ बिजनेस, गुड बिजनेस फ्रॉम देयर टू। तो इस तरीके से पूरा चलेगा B2C कम्युनिकेशन का। और B2B में जैसे व्हाट्सएप है, आज के टाइम पे CRM इज दी मेन थिंग। आपका जो डेटा है, आपका रेस्टोरेंट, हमारा जो डेटा है, अब जो जैसे सपोज करें इफ समबडी इज ओपनिंग इन सूरत, तो वील गेट अ डेटा फॉर सूरत की इतने लोग रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाना प्रेफर करते हैं, उनका ये टेस्ट प्रेफरेंस है, वील शूट द मैसेज टू एवरीवन ऑन व्हाट्सएप on this text message part of a phone. So this is how we go for the marketing. Next slide. Documentation support, operation book will be there, brand book will be there, service book, kitchen book, training book, marketing book. One thing more will be there, रोबोट्स को ऑपरेट करने के लिए देयर विल बी अ डिफरेंट बुक। सपोज करें अगर ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है रोबोट्स में कि सडनली दे स्टॉप वर्किंग, सो देयर विल बी अ बुक कि आप उस बुक के, आप उस मैनुअल से देख के यू कैन इजीली स्टार्ट। और व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल ट्रेन यू बिफोर ओपनिंग अ रेस्टोरेंट कि इस तरीके से छोटी मोटी अगर प्रॉब्लम आती है तो यू गाइस कैन इजीली मैनेज। देयर विल बी अ होल सेट ऑफ लीगल टीम रहेगी पूरी, जो आपका लाइसेंस का, आपके इंटेलेक्चुअल्स का, आपके ट्रेडमार्क का, आपके सिटी के अंदर पूरा रजिस्ट्रेशन का डिपार्टमेंट का वो हैंडल करेंगे। सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन सपोर्ट इस तरीके से रहेगा कुछ। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। So guys, we are done with this. So yes.
Thank you so much, Harshit ji. It was a very, very comprehensive presentation. I think you've covered almost every important part which touches our franchisee in terms of their investment and also ongoing marketing. Maybe we can also take a minute, Harshit ji, if we can also take our partners or maybe prospective investors, people who have come on this event, to even show them a little bit on the menu, what is the kind of offering we do, and also the price points. If you have a ready reference of the menu, we can do that. I have something which I got from Zomato. I'm not too sure if that is the latest one. If you want, I can put that on the screen and we can quickly
Yeah, sure,
take
sure,
them through.
sure.
So I think this is
Yeah,
what
so
I could find. And before that, maybe I'll show you some pictures also, which can also be interesting for our viewers to maybe see. I think these were some of the pictures which I found, and I think they're very vibrant pictures, and they also have a very regional touch also with the elements on the walls that you see, which are typically Rajasthani elements.
yeah, so basically the theme is
So
like
these are
this. So basically the theme is like this. जब हम बचपन में थे, we are started playing with these puppets and all, but now in 21st century, we are playing with the robots. We are playing with the technology. Everything is on now technology based. So ये concept अगर आप हमारे रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर एंटर होते हैं तो एक ऐसा, आप अगर 360 अपना हेड टर्न करेंगे तो यू फील कि यार ये एक पूरा मॉडर्न और एंटीक का कॉम्बिनेशन बना के रखा है।
correct. And I also pick on the menu. If you, this is what I found on the Zomato.
Yeah,
I think this is the latest menu which
yeah,
people.
this is the latest menu. There are soups and syrups. Like as I told you guys, yeah, these are some of type of soups and a price. If you see, जो हमारा सबसे hot selling item है, that's tomatino and that's hot and sour. So we haven't placed these price very much high because we are on economy of scales. अगर आज एक टोमेटो इफ आई विल डू इट 210, तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग कि वो कम बिकेगा, थोड़ा उसकी थोड़ी सी प्राइस पॉइंट कम हो जाएगी, स्कैटर हो जाएंगी चीजें, वी हैव मेनी ऑप्शंस. बट इफ द प्राइस इज लो, सो इट्स लाइक अ लॉस लीडर आइटम इन अ मेन्यू, कि फॉर एवरी सेक्शन ऑफ अ मेन्यू वी हैव अ लॉस लीडर आइटम, कि उसको दिखा के वी ब्रिंग कस्टमर्स टू आवर आउटलेट ऑन अ फूड बेसिस, एंड देन वी मेक अपसेलिंग फ्रॉम द बैक पार्ट. सो दिस इज हाउ आवर मेन्यू इज ऑल प्लेस्ड. जितना भी हमारे मेन्यू के अंदर हॉट सेलिंग आइटम्स है, यू विल फाइंड कि वो थोड़ा सा रेट्स में मार्केट से कम रहेगा, जस्ट एज अ रीजन कि इकोनॉमी ऑफ स्केल्स. टोमेटो सूप, टोमेटिनो सूप ऐसा सूप है कि एवरीवन टेक्स दैट. So these are ranges of our mocktails. We have the Smoky Robomania is a mocktail which is having a gastronomy effect. When you have it, you will feel like कि पूरा you are sitting on a beach. It's like this. So this is our menu. Yeah, you go down. So these are all Mexican delights. This is actually the Mexican starters: quesadilla, enchiladas, Mexican rice, cheese corn balls, Tex-Mex loaded, special tacos. So this is all from a Mexican section. So yeah, this is our North Indian section. Paneer lavabdar is our hot selling item. Uh, Corn methi malai matar is also our hot selling item. Tawa sabji is also there. It's a hot selling item. So around there are 20 to 25 main course dishes. Yeah, next slide. Yeah, tawa sabji is also one of our amazing. This section is for dal and Indian breads. So this is our all price point where we are right now. This is the pizza section. The Italian, the wood burn pizzas are there. So yeah. This is the section of Italian starters, Chinese starters, and Indo-Chinese starters. This is a risotto part, and this is toppings and all. So if someone wants extra something, so these are the charges we give for this.
Great, very helpful, Harshit. I think this is very detailed menu also. So, friends, it's a pure vegetarian restaurant, and they're doing multi cuisines, which includes Indian, Chinese, and continental Italian food, which is being
Yes.
served. Harshit, while we discussed almost every important part, like I mentioned on the business model, I will also request friends, if you have any questions, kindly put your questions in the Q&A box. We'll take it up with Mr. Harshit Surana. Harshitji, just to start off with, you mentioned about a sale, which typically a restaurant of this nature, and because आपका जो existing outlet है जो आप run कर रहे हैं, these are the sales that you currently do. So what we're taking is an average of 10 lakh sales in the first year, and then there's a increment in year 2 and 3. And because it's a fine dining or it's a sit down restaurant, you've taken a very small percentage of online orders, and majority of your revenue would come from the covers and then walk-ins at the restaurant. Now, I have two questions with respect to this. One, if you can help everybody understand on the cover rotation. आपका 60-seater restaurant है. So typically, how many covers would it rotate on a weekday, on a weekend? कितने लोग आ जाते हैं?
So
Yeah.
yeah, so if we talk around on a weekday, there is around 120 to 150 people in a day. So it's a two round key. In the evening there is one round, and in the lunchtime there is one round. But on weekends it's more than 200. It's 200 to 280 in between. So it's like this. Weekdays may it's more in lunchtime. It's not that much in dinner. It's only a one round in dinner, but in lunch it's a good part because where we are located in Jaipur, it's all near to the banking sector and it's the main tourist center. So on lunch we are amazing on weekdays, and on weekends we are amazing on dinners. So around 200 to 280 comes around in a weekend, and 120 to 150 80 is around on a weekday.
So that would be almost about, I would say, about 1,000 people in a week, all put together between the Saturday
Yeah,
and Sundays on the
yeah.
week.
So on a
About
on a
20
monthly
or
on a monthly basis, if we talk, but on a monthly basis, if we talk, so there is around 400 and 4,300 people in a month. So it's
and what
something
are the
where
typical
around
costs हमारा क्या रहता है? Because looking at the price points, so typical
Mhm.
APCs हमारा per walk-in or per clientele per cover, how much is our
Mhm.
typical average
So per
price?
clientele, it's around 350 to 450, somewhere around 350 to 450. If a consumer is having more of Italian, so he'll get a per person average of around 450.
What we're currently doing about 20,000 का हमारा weekday का sale है, which can be looked at, and about 40,000 is typically what the weekends would do. So I think between 20 to 40,000 is our everyday projection from a business
Everyday
format like this.
projection, yeah, for a average sale if we take out for a month is around 35,000 to 45,000, somewhere in this only. Like previous month sale was around 14 lakh something. So it goes like this.
Sure. You see, इसमें if we talk about, because your USP or what you want to project is maybe AI-led we also have these robots who do a lot of, I would say, functioning in terms of manpower. So if we talk about the manpower deployment, how many manpower typically are required in a structure like this? And second question would also be on the maintenance, of these machines, which are robots, and if we have taken that into consideration in a return or not, and if there is a cost to maintain these, typically what is the cost to maintain them? And so this
Okay,
is
so
manpower
for
yeah.
yeah, so for the robots maintenance, there is not that much big amount. For a robot, AMC is around 70,000 in a year. In a year, like if something happens to a robot, technically or software is making some issue, so AMC covers all that, and there is an insurance of around 1 lakh for 2 years. So like if some customer comes and he breaks down, water spills on the robots on a wiring part, अगर ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है कभी, तो there is an insurance for the robot.
Okay.
And secondly, you ask how many staff is required, what is the labor cost is around. We need to have a 20 staff capacity maximum we are talking, in which we are including a store manager, a guard, 2 guards are there for morning and for night shifts. Then we have one ARM manager, store manager. Then we have kitchen staff of around 11, and we have 4 staff of around this F&B. So like robots cannot clean the tables, robots cannot place the running orders which are coming from the kitchen. So for that all purpose, we need to have this manual staff.
Okay. And friends, I will request, please put your questions, because this platform will not allow you to speak. And I see some hands also being raised time to time. Whatever questions you might have, kindly put that in the Q&A box, and we'll take it up with your name. Sure. Harshit, another question which I had is also on the training side. You mentioned you will also help your prospective investors on training both the staff at the outlet, where you will have trainers from the head office or your own center going and training these people. And second is also the training of the franchisee. How is he trained? Is he trained at the current outlet that you have in Jaipur, or there's a soft launch which you would do, and that training happens there?
Okay, so if someone is willing to take a franchisee, ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आप पहले ही franchisee हैं उसके बाद we'll train you. You come to Jaipur, you have a week with us, you understand our business, you see how the crowd is coming, how we are managing everything. तो एक आपको ये प्री ट्रेनिंग, ये प्री हम आपको पहले बताते हैं फ्रेंचाइजी को कि हमारा ऐसे चलता है, लगाओ पैसा बाद में, पहले हमारे साथ देखो, सीखो, अगर मजा आए then the next part comes. Then if he is planning and he has opened, agar hamara deal sign ho gaya and he is opening, then our team will go to his outlet in his city, and there they'll explain him everything, and they'll spend a week or couple of week time over there. And that's all not paid. Like हम we will not charge anything because वो franchisee fees में सब included है हमारे. We will not charge anything extra कि हम आ रहे हैं तो we'll do this and all. Because this is happening in market. ऐसा लगता है investors को कि वो ये charge मांगेंगे तो मैं सीखूं ही नहीं. But ऐसा नहीं है. This is all included in our plan. So we'll go over there. हम उनको पूरा समझाएंगे कि you join with us. अपने join करा है तो आप ऐसे चलाएं. Because जो हमारा inventory management है, that's the main cost effective part.
All right. And typically, if we talk about, I would say, the term of the agreement, how long do we sign the agreement for, and what are the terms of renewal with the partners?
Okay, so it's a 5-year partnership term, agreement term. अगर उसके बाद भी investor is willing, franchisee is willing to renew with us, so we are open for next 5 years or 3 years. So we are very flexible with that part.
Sure, sure. I'll also take some questions from the audience, and just to reiterate, friends, because I see some questions being put, we've already covered in depth. So the overall area requirement, this is a 1,500 square feet, which includes investment on interiors, equipment, and franchise fees. All the elements put together comes to about 39.5 odd lakhs. And
Yes.
sorry, आप कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं?
Yes, of course. What you're saying is right. 39.
This is a 60 cover restaurant that we are sharing the information on. So I'll take some questions from the audience, and friends, when you're putting your questions, please do also mention the city that you're looking forward for. And okay, I think I have a question from Mr. Chintan Mehta. Is there also a franchisee-owned company-operated model? Because currently we're only talking about a franchisee-owned, franchisee-operated, Chintanji. So Ashit, any word on this? Is there a model which is owned by franchisee but operated by the company that can also be considered?
It's there. The model is there with us, but it depends upon the location. If we are willing to come to that location, then we can easily, like Surat is open for that, Indore is open for that, Lucknow is open for that, for company operations. So we are open for that too, but for in some sectors only, some cities only.
Sure. So friend, just to answer, like, I think Harshitji just mentioned, while they'll be open to doing FOCO, but they have a very clear thought about rollout, which locations they want to enter. So Indore, Surat, and maybe some other locations, very specifically, if there is a good partner or location which comes from these cities, only in those cases, a franchisee-owned company-operated model would be contemplated. Great. Now we also have maybe some important cities, Harshitji, if we can confirm, because broadly aapne bataya, we're looking at Gujarat, Rajasthan as maybe two main states to create maybe a cluster approach in. But if you also want to mention which are the important cities you want to enter on a priority, because we also have Mr. Rahul Kumar in the webinar who's from Bhilwara, and I'm sure he might be looking at an operational feasibility for that location. So which are the locations where we currently get? And
so
is also
starting from Rajasthan, we are open for Jodhpur, we are open for Udaipur, and we are open for Bhilwara. Coming to Gujarat, we are open for Surat, we are open for Ahmedabad, we are open for Vadodara, and we are open for Rajkot. Now coming to Madhya Pradesh, we are open for Indore, Bhopal, and Jabalpur. Coming to the UP part, we are open for this Kanpur, Lucknow, Gorakhpur, and there is one more. Noida is a very big market. Agra, Meerut, and Ayodhya. Ayodhya, reason being, Ayodhya में वो भी जो राम मंदिर वाला जो सब scene हुआ है. So what I feel कि there is a good market in couple of years. जो tourist का footfall आएगा वहाँ पे, that's going to be a very amazing. So वो भी हमने Ayodhya is also a very good market, what I feel in coming years.
Sure. That's helpful. And we also has Ms. Priti Paul. She would like to know which location are we operating in Jaipur. And I will also request friends, if you're in and around Jaipur or Rajasthan, you can also visit the outlet which the company is operating there. Maybe have one of the days you can fix, and rather we can have maybe an experiential tour that Franchise India can help you with fixing one of the dates. So which location is it, Harshitji, in Jaipur that you're
Currently, it's in C scheme. It's in C scheme near to the Raj Mandir.
All right, that's the place.
Raj Mandir is the famous cinema in Jaipur. Everyone is knowing that Raj Mandir. So the next building to Raj Mandir, we are looking.
Very helpful. And we also have a partner, Mr. Amit Saxena. He wants to know Kushinagar and Bareilly in UP. Are these two locations also open for us to consider?
Can you repeat the location, please?
Kushinagar and Bareilly.
Bareilly is open for, Bareilly is 100% open. Bareilly is on our list. It's open for outlet, but the number of outlet over there will be very less. It's 1 or 2 in that location because that's a very small place. क्या वहाँ 5-6 location पे outlet खोल के क्या करोगे? It's like 1 or 2 units.
Sure. I think we did cover a question from Mr. Vivek Nair that was on the marketing. And friends, I'll maybe reiterate on that. And Harshitji, one question on the marketing, because you divided the marketing into B2B and B2C, and especially pre-opening and post-launch of the outlet. I think these are very important to be looked at. Now, is there also some investment the company would make, or have you considered the marketing at the time of launch in the upfront expenses? And what is the contribution of the company? Because a lot of digital activities is what you had suggested in the presentation.
Yeah, for that, can I share my screen? I'll show you a video of our live ad.
Okay, sure.
Can I share?
Yes, please.
Welcome to the Yellow House.
The screen has shared. Can you guys see it?
Start working.
We can only hear the sound. We cannot see the screen.
Okay. Archana ji is there with us?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Just allow me.
Yeah, Archana ji, can you please show the live ad which we have shared with you?
Sure. Just allow me 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. Sure.
It might probably take half a minute because I have to download it.
Okay.
In the meantime, Harshitji, I'll take maybe 1 or 2 questions more. So one is on the FOCO model again, because we have discussed extensively on the franchisee and franchisee operated. While I understand the specific cities that you want to enter and locations where you wish to own, and maybe the franchisee own and company you would operate as a operator. But if we talk about broadly on the model, what are the broader terms for operating a franchisee owned company operated model? What kind of returns or revenue share structure the partner?
So we give around 18% of our minimum guarantee to the investor on the amount which they are investing, and a revenue share of around 11 to 12%. Or if it's a good location market, it's a good location area, we can negotiate on that. We can increase that revenue share too. Like if we doing a sales of around 13 lakh, and if we take 12% to, it's around somewhere 1,50,000 something. So we are open for like.
And any expenses which the franchisee is expected to undertake out of the revenue share and MGs that he gets?
Can you please repeat?
So any expenses which franchisee is expected to undertake out of the business or the revenue share or minimum guarantee that he would receive?
No. Like he'll receive on the net sales only. Like though there is nothing he'll cut from his revenue.
Okay.
There is nothing.
All right, friends. So I'll just repeat again. There are 2 models: franchisee owned, franchisee operated, and the other is franchisee owned company operated model, which is limited to only very, very specific cities and specific locations if the franchisee is able to procure. And the model in FOCO would be minimum guarantee or a revenue share, whichever is higher will come to the franchisee, which is 18% on the minimum as a minimum guarantee on the investment that you would put. or 11 to 12% of the revenue share of the entire sales which the outlet would make. So whichever is higher becomes your monthly revenue from the business. Great. Asha, have you been able to locate the video?
Yeah, ma'am, I have that video, but probably it will take more time. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience.
Okay, no problem. See, when we talk about Pachiti, the model which is franchisee-owned company operated, when we talk about minimum guarantee, now this minimum guarantee would be on the entire investment or some part of the investment, because investment has a lot of components. आपका security deposit भी जाता है, आपका capex में जाता है, equipment में जाता है, franchise fees, all put together,
it will be on the initial investment, ma'am. जो आपका इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट रहेगा, आपका प्रॉपर्टी डिपॉजिट प्लस आपका वर्किंग कैपिटल आप एक्सक्लूड कर दें, तो जो आपका वो रहता है इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट which is somewhere around 33 lakhs, उस पे आपका मिनिमम गारंटी रहेगा.
Okay. And the security has to be paid by the franchisee. So security deposit on the property is paid by the franchisee, which obviously is refundable, which comes back to him at the end of the contract period. Helpful. And friends, we have received
one thing I would like to tell everyone, जो deposit है, that's a property deposit. Hello. That's a property deposit. It's not a brand deposit. A property का जो lease deposit होता है, that's that deposit.
To be by a partner also who is not operating. So your investment as a FOCO model would be on the initial investment, capex, equipment, and plus the security deposit which would be made. Great. Harshit, before we close, I think we have a problem locating the video or downloading that. I will also request if we can line up one-on-one calls with the prospective investors who have shown their interest, and also some inquiries where they wanted more information. And friends, we'll be more than happy to share the entire information with you. Our team would reach out to you, and subsequently we'll also get you on a call with Mr. Harshit Surana in the coming week. Harshit ji, any date, कोई भी ऐसा दिन जो आप choose करना चाहते हैं in the coming week where we can bring these investors on a call with you?
Yeah, sure, no issues. Like today is Tuesday, so by Friday or by Saturday, we can align a call.
Okay, we can take Saturday as the date, and Saturday would be 27th. So we'll take time from today till Friday to filter all the candidates and bring them to you. And also, friends, whosoever is in Jaipur and would want to visit, you can do that at Sea Scheme, which is a very prominent location in Jaipur. And Harshit ji would be more than glad to host each one of you and give a tour of the outlet. Thank you so much, Harshit ji. And maybe last message that you want to give to the audience before we close.
So the last message I would like this is the video, live video. So these are the ads which we make and we provide, which we will be providing to every franchisee outlet to run in their cities. Yeah, please play this.
मम्मी यार सुनो ना, ये देखो पिछले साल हम लोग कहाँ गए थे खाना खाने. हम लोग हर संडे जाते थे बाहर घूमने, और अब देख लो.
घूमने नहीं जा सकते तो क्या हुआ, खाना खाने तो जा सकते हैं. है
कोई कहीं नहीं जा रहा, सब घर पे ही रहेंगे.
सुनो, आप चिंता मत करो,
जगह सेफ तो है ना.
अगर इंसानों की जगह रोबोट सर्व करें तो सब सेफ ही है.
ये सब जयपुर में?
जयपुर में. The Robot Restaurant, Yellow House.
Only at the Robot Restaurant, Yellow House, where your safety is our priority. The area is regularly disinfected and separate sanitization zones have been made. We also have zero contact service through robots. So come and dine only at Robot Restaurant, the Yellow House, MI Road, Jaipur.
So this video was made during this Corona time after the lockdown was over. So ऐसे live ads रहेंगे for everyone to see in their cities. जैसे ये जयपुर का था, if there is a Surat, we'll mention the Surat location over there. So this is और ये सब YouTube पे and all the Google platform पे जो भी Google related apps हैं, उन पे ads चलता है इसका.
Okay, helpful. Before we leave, like I requested, any message that you give to the audience which is present and listening to you?
Okay, so the last message which I would like to give, join us. It will be a great journey ahead, because the next which we are going to see in couple of years is based on AI. Artificial intelligence is going to be the next future. So join kare and see the wonders which we can make.
Thank you so much, Harshit ji, and thank you all friends for joining in. I will request Ashna if you can take it over with your final closing message and update on tomorrow's webinar. Thank you.
Sure. So thank you so much, Harshit, for joining in today. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am. Dear participants, we would like to thank you also for sparing time in joining this webinar. Please do reach out to us at our business hotline. To us at the same business hotline number. Also join us at the different social handles, information on your screen. You can also join us at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited. The recorded version of each and every webinar we have done till now, they're available under video section. You can also join Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs, information on your screen. And tomorrow we invite you to join us journey for Slate. That's the brand we are representing for you. It's a platform for all small businesses and startup in India where you can start and become their partner just with an investment of 50,000 rupees. So please do not miss this chance. Join us tomorrow by doing registration at same business hotline number. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a great day. Thank you so much.